going to do the demo of Acumen mobile application. So how Acumen mobile application will help you to find your high intent leads, how you can use the artificial intelligence to manage your projects and your business, how you can check your health score. So based on the health score and the next action that is suggested by Acumen Smart Insights, and you can grow your business. So this is the screen that once you will download the mobile application, and from here you can create your account. So here I have to fill out the details for the registration. So email, we have to use our business email. So this registration mainly will get done by the business owner of the company, and this email will be used as a administrator email address, and this user is going to add their employees by using their email address. So employees can also get log into the application and use the application for personal work and log attendance and leave management. So application is available in multiple countries. So as of now, I am entering my country and state. Here I have to enter my username and password. That later I can make a change also. So I'm entering a captcha. So once I will click on the create account. Okay, so my password is not matched. So let me fix this. It's fixed. So once I will click on the create account, it will generate OTP for me, and I will receive that OTP on the email address which I have entered during the registration of this account. So let me go to my system and let me see which email. So I got the OTP. So registration is get done. Here you will see the registration, and the message is saying that you will receive one organization code that is needed to log in into the application. So let me type my email address that I have used to create my workspace in this application for my business. Okay. So once you will registration is successful, you will receive the organization code that you have to use always to log into your application, and your employee also will use the same organization code to log into the application for updating a task and work. So here I'm entering the my application organization code, and I'm going to do login it. So this is the home screen where the all business hub functionality modules are available. So this is the business hub page, and from here you can see we can manage. We have a lead modules, customer timeline, projects, quotations, invoices, payment tracking, and today's follow-up. So here are on the which tasks are assigned to myself. So right now in this application, some dummy of projects will be created for learning purpose. You can delete these projects if you don't need. So this is just learning projects, that how to create the projects and task, and how to assign that task to different people. And here you can change the status of your task once it is completed. So let's move to our main purpose thing. Like these modules are common, like you can create the leads, you can check the customer timelines, You can create the projects, quotations, invoices, payment tracking. But main point is that once you have the proper data, at least your all employees are get onboarded and you have started working at least 10 to 15 days with this application, then you can analyze your health score, business health score. Of course, at the starting time of registration also you can click on generate smart insights and you can generate your business score. But the thing is that if data is not available, then it is the Acumen Smart Inside AI is not that much capable to figure out your business health score. So the health score will be definitely wrong because AI needs data to feed, and based on the data it will identify your risk, your performance comparison, opportunities, quick wins, and most important, next action you have to follow. So this Acumen Smart Insight will you have to run at least after a week or a 15 days. Once you're fully started working with this application, then and then you will get the advantage of the Acumen Smart Insights. So let me create one simple lead. Let me Raj. Let me enter the mobile number. Its name is Raj Enterprise. Price is, let's say I'm adding this is first lead. So how this lead came from me, like Instagram, or what is the status, to whom I can assign this lead, and when on the which date it will be available. So so this way I am able to enter the lead, and once my lead is added, I can convert this lead to customer. I can filter the leads from here, whatever the leads I have created. I can go to customer timeline. I can select the particular customer, but right now there is no customer available. So these are the so things are showing is just dummy data, and so I need to first need to create the customer. So better is that let me convert this lead to customer. Okay. Now you can see the status is changed for this customer. You can update the lead also itself. And if I will go to customer timeline, and if I will use this, then you can see the this particular timeline that I am able to see for this one, for Raj. Okay. Now this is the projects module. As I already explained, you can create your project. You can select your logo according to, sorry, icon according to your project. Select the color you want to select. Let's say I'm going to select this one, and this is the logo, and I'm going to do, I can give any name to my project. Like say I'm working with one of the company that I'm giving Real Enterprise. That is one of our client. Website, and I can give you the status of the in progress. This is test description that I'm going to add, and here I can go for the my project start date, and when my project is going to end, that I'm going to enter here. Then I'm saving this project. So once project is saved, I can go to the project and I can create the multiple tasks. Let's say I'm creating my first task, I'm changing it to in progress, and I'm changing the text. So during the creation of task, you can also attach the important documents that is needed for the task you have created, and you can assign this task to particular person, and here you can select the customer also. So I'm going to attach the documents here. Let's say I'm attaching the Acumen logo, and you can attach the PDF also here. So whoever the person the task is assigned, he has all the documents related to his work. So I'm going to start save this task, and once this task is saved, it will be show up in the board. Okay, so right now it is in progress. I can change the status of the task. I can filter and the search the different task from here. I can search the task, I can do the filter, and here I can change the board view of the task. This is the one of the view, and whatever the view you like, then you can use it. And let's say the X person has assigned the task, he is working on it, so he will, whenever any progress will happen, he will specifically comment on the task that this is done, like whatever comment that he made, and he will select the percentage of work completed by him. So his business owner will get notified by notification that this particular comment is done by my this one employee, and what is the status of my current this task, and from where he is commenting, location is also tracked. Now if owner wants to reply something to this person, that he wants to instruction something, guide something or anything, then he can also place the comment on this particular task. So all the conversation related to this task will be here only on the particular page. So here location, documents, everything will be handled from this task. Now let's move to some other modules. So as I say, you can create the quotation from here, and you can select the customer, and you can provide your services, like say first service, okay, or whatever the product you are selling. Let's say I'm entering 1,000 rupees, GST, and select the validity, and I can enter my term and conditions here, and I can save the quotation. So this quotation can be open in the PDF, you can share in the WhatsApp, you can share in the email, so that all be possible. Same way you can create the invoice. You can search the invoice here, and you can create the invoice by selecting the customer. And the same functionality, you can add like a GST and UPI ID or your reserve billing that your client is going to pay to you, and you can share this invoice to your client. And main let's move to other module of the Acumen app. So once this data will get filled up, Acumen Smart Insight will study your data, and it will give you, it will generate a report according to your data, whatever the data is analyzed by the Acumen Smart Insight. It is only not doing analyzing report and giving you a quick action. It will also identify and study your business, like which kind of customer or high intent leads is better for your business. So high getting the high intent leads, you once the you have purchased the subscription, and you at least you have used the application to 20 to 30 days, then you can connect with us. So we will help you that how you will get the high intent leads, and it will be enabled in this mobile application only, and you will directly connect with your specific targeted customers, and you can convert those leads to the customer, and you can start your business and you can grow your business. So for high intent leads module, at least 15 to 20 days or 30 days you need to onboard all of your work on the Acumen mobile application, and give a chance to Acumen Smart Insights that how it will help you to grow your business. So if you have any question related to high intent leads or Acumen Smart Insights, you can contact us. And here is our detail. You can contact us on this number. You can send a mail to us here. Now, from here you can schedule, like if you want to set a reminder. Let's say I'm setting reminder, first reminder, okay, for my customer, a lead or reference. I'm going to save it, so it will, you can filter your lead or anything. Let me update this again. So let me change the time, right? 11:31 is there, so I'm going to make it to 11, let's say 30 32. Okay, so it will remind me on that particular time that in my mobile the reminder notification will come that something is going to you have to take action. So this is our specific reminder, like whenever you are doing in the business, you are in a business, you have multiple leads, and to manage and reminding, you have to keep reminders that how to manage those leads, to whom we have to call, which are the important leads, so we have to create a reminder for them. So all those things will be taken care by the this notification and reminder modules. So once it will, let's say, it will be executed, then it's a 11:32 p.m. reminder, so it will be available. So we have to make it to change like the high or low, whatever you want to do. I'm setting it to 3:33, 33. Sorry, let me make to 34 and we'll see that how the reminder will work. So these are the reminders that you forget. Here you will see the today's reminder, and here you will see the upcoming reminders. Okay. Now let's move to my tasks. So these are the tasks which is, let's say if I am an employee, then I can work on the multiple projects and multiple tasks can be assigned to me. So here I can only focus on my task. I can do the add the comment and everything I can do from here. So this is the my task part. Here you can study the overall business performance by using the different chart. And if you want to select a particular project, then you can do from here, from projects module. And here you can check the performance of particular employee and how he's performing. Now let's go to the admin module. So this is very important. From here, uh, if you go to the admin home, here the organization details, you will find your organization code here and your subscription version. Right now it's a trial, so we just did the login. And in the users, you can create the users here. Like let's say I want to add my first employee, I will fill out the detail of my employee, email address, everything. He will get the credentials on their mail, and the role assigned to him. According to that, he can work with this mobile application. And once you are going to create an employee account, you should be activate it. And for the trial version, it is a 10, and there are different subscription versions are available. So according to your subscription, you can add your employee users from here. So employee do not need to register from the create account page. You will, as a business owner, add your employee. He will receive the email and he will use their own credentials to log into the application. But you need to provide organization code which you have already there in your mail, or you can check from here also. So this organization code your employee will use as an organization code. He will enter his email and his password, whatever he said during the account creation process. That when you are creating your employee from here, when you are adding employee from here, you will get the credentials. And once everything is done, he can go to the login screen, fill out the email and password, and then he has to enter the organization code and he can do the login. So he is going to see the all the same thing that you are looking here. Only Acumen Smart inside he is not able to see, because that is for the business owner only. So he can manage the project, he can create the task, comment on the task, and take advantage of other modules. So this is the way how you have to add your employees. There are other modules like you can manage the attendance. So whenever your employees start the working, and let's say I'm starting my work today, so I will do drag it here. So it will track my time and my locations, from which location I have starting my today's work. And if I need to take a break, I have to take a break, and I can end my break from here. So I'm ending my break. So my break is ended, then I'm going to end my work. So this work hours of my today's work hours will be captured by the application. So every month you can check the employee wise, like you can search your users here in the user sections. Once the listing will come uh, here, so you can search particular employee and you can see that what kind of what how many hours that particular user worked in the last month. So according to that, it will help you that how many days and hours he totally worked on the last month, and it will help you to build their salary and give them a payment. And we have a leave modules also. So whoever the person wants to apply for leave, he will apply for the leave, and that will leave bill, that notification will reach to the his business owner, and he will approve or reject the leave by the comments. So everything is going to manage by Acumen mobile application. So if you have a team of 15, 5 people, if you have a larger team like more than 30 or 60 people, you are able to manage everything with single mobile application, and you can take the advantage of Acumen Smart inside the AI. Now let me go to the Acumen Smart inside and let's run it, like how it is generating the suggestion for us. So now AI started analyzing the data, and it will give us the best things we can do to improve our health score. So business owners should has to keep his health score at least 90, between 90 to 100, because it will show you that how your business is stable and how you are going on. Okay, so right now as a trial I can run this analysis for 2 times only, and here it is showing the different report data. It will compare your data with your previous month data, and it will analyze everything and it will guide you that what you have to do. So here is it is explaining about the risk that is currently in your organization, what are the opportunities and what are the quick wins, and what action I should take today which will help me for my future growth. So this is overall about the Acumen Smart Insight. It will help you to, like if you are doing any mistake, you can save your money, you can save your time, you can analysis your business data, and you will get best outcome, and it will help you to get growth in your business. So this is overall about the Acumen mobile application. If you have any query, any concern, if you have any custom functionality features that you want to implement in your particular workspace, like if you need any help from us, you can anytime contact us, you can raise a query. If you find any issue, you can go to this module help and support, write your subject, fill out the details. Once we will receive this mail and your feedback, we will as early as possible will work on that, and we will, maybe if needed, then we will connect with you, and we are able to resolve the things together and we both will grow. So thank you very much for giving me chance to show the demo. Thank you.